Survival gadgets on Amazon. In today's unpredictable world, having the right survival gadgets can be a game changer, whether you're hiking in the wilderness, prepping for emergencies, or simply looking to be more self-sufficient. Fortunately, Amazon offers a wide variety of innovative tools that can help you stay prepared for any situation. Soap Baton Key 2. The Soap Baton Key 2 is a compact multi-tool that packs a punch in a lightweight package. Designed for versatility, this gadget features a sleek design and includes various tools like pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and scissors, all neatly housed in a durable aluminum body. The Baton Key 2 is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, from camping and fishing to emergency situations. One of the standout features of the Soap Baton Key 2 is its portability. Weighing just over a pound, it can easily fit in your backpack or pocket, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Additionally, its durable construction ensures that it can withstand harsh conditions. Shikoto Rurusha. The Shikoto Rurusha is a high-quality, Japanese-style folding knife designed for precision and performance. This survival knife features a sharp, durable blade made from premium stainless steel, ensuring it can handle a variety of cutting tasks, from preparing food to crafting shelters. The Rurusha's ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making it comfortable to use for extended periods, whether you're camping, hiking, or in a survival situation. What sets the Shikoto Rurusha apart is its traditional craftsmanship combined with modern design. Olight Baton 4. The Olight Baton 4 is a powerful compact flashlight designed to provide exceptional illumination in any situation. With a maximum output of 1,200 lumens, this flashlight can light up even the darkest environments, making it indispensable for camping trips or emergency preparedness. The Baton 4 features a rechargeable battery in multiple brightness settings, allowing you to customize the light output based on your needs. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, the Olight Baton 4 is water-resistant and has a durable construction that can handle rough conditions. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your gear using its magnetic tail cap for hands-free use. Interceptor Assault Crossbow. The Interceptor Assault Crossbow is a powerful and versatile survival tool designed for hunting and self-defense. Featuring a lightweight design and durable construction, this crossbow delivers impressive power and accuracy. With adjustable sights and a smooth draw, the Interceptor is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts looking to secure food or defend themselves in a survival situation. Safety is paramount with the Interceptor, and it comes equipped with features like a safety trigger and a collapsible stock for easy transport. Its compact design makes it easy to carry on your adventures. FlexTail Max Repel. The FlexTail Max Repel is a versatile and portable mosquito repellent device that helps keep you safe from pests during outdoor adventures. Using advanced technology, this device emits a protective mist that creates a barrier against mosquitoes and other biting insects, allowing you to enjoy your time outdoors without the annoyance of constant swatting. What sets the FlexTail Max Repel apart is its portability and rechargeable battery, making it easy to take along on hikes, camping trips, or picnics. It operates quietly, so you can enjoy nature without the distraction of loud repellent devices. Umarex T4 EHDS. The Umarex T4 EHDS is a powerful and versatile home defense and training tool designed to mimic the experience of using a real firearm. This less lethal option uses .68 caliber paintballs and is ideal for self-defense training or recreational use. Its realistic design and operation make it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their shooting skills without the risks associated with traditional firearms. With the Umarex T4 EHDS, you get the reliability of a firearm in a safer, more manageable form. It features a dual-action design that allows for quick follow-up shots, and its easy-to-load magazine ensures you're always ready for action. Lighthouse 600. The Lighthouse 600 is a compact, multifunctional lantern that combines lighting with USB charging capabilities. With a maximum brightness of 600 lumens, this lantern provides ample light for camping, emergencies, or outdoor gatherings. Its versatile design includes multiple lighting modes, allowing you to customize the brightness based on your needs. One of the standout features of the Lighthouse 600 is its ability to charge your devices via USB. This makes it an invaluable tool for keeping your phone or other electronic devices powered up while enjoying the great outdoors. Midlander 310. The Midlandier 310 is a powerful emergency weather radio designed to keep you informed and connected during emergencies. This portable device features NOAA weather alerts, AM/FM radio, and the ability to charge your devices via USB. Its compact design and rechargeable battery make it ideal for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness kits. The Midlandier 310 is equipped with a bright LED flashlight and a flashing red light for signaling emergencies, ensuring you have all the tools you need in one device. Its durable construction is built to withstand outdoor conditions, making it a reliable companion during storms or natural disasters. VZ Punch Ripper. The VZ Punch Ripper is a tactical self-defense tool designed for close encounters. Compact and lightweight, this tool can easily fit in your pocket or attach to your gear, ensuring you always have it on hand. The Punch Ripper is designed for easy handling and features a sturdy design that can withstand significant force. What makes the VZ Punch Ripper particularly useful is its ability to provide a sense of security in potentially dangerous situations. It's perfect for personal safety while traveling or navigating urban environments. With its discreet design and effectiveness, the VZ Punch Ripper is an excellent addition to your self-defense arsenal. Pomely T1. The Pomely T1 is an innovative tent designed for outdoor survival and camping. Lightweight and easy to set up, this tent is perfect for solo adventurers or small groups. Its durable construction and weather-resistant materials ensure you stay dry and comfortable in various conditions. What sets the Pomely T1 apart is its excellent ventilation system, which helps regulate airflow while keeping insects out. The tent's compact design makes it easy to carry in your backpack, ensuring you have a reliable shelter wherever you go. For those seeking a high-quality camping solution, the Pomely T1 is an essential survival gadget. Iceco APL55. The Iceco APL55 is a portable refrigerator and freezer designed for camping and outdoor adventures. This innovative gadget allows you to keep food and drinks cold, making it an invaluable tool for long trips where access to refrigeration is limited. The Iceco APL55 features a dual-zone design, allowing you to store both frozen and chilled items simultaneously. With its durable construction and efficient cooling technology, the Iceco APL55 is built to withstand outdoor conditions while providing reliable performance. It's easy to transport and can be powered via a car battery or solar panel, making it perfect for road trips and camping adventures. Grail GeoPress. The Grail GeoPress is a portable water purifier that allows you to drink safe, clean water from almost any source. This gadget is essential for survivalists, campers, and hikers who need a reliable way to purify water while on the go. The GeoPress uses a two-step filtration process to remove viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, ensuring you have access to safe drinking water in emergency situations. Using the Grail GeoPress is simple and efficient. Just fill the container with water, press the filter down, and your water is ready to drink in seconds. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.